Hello friends, how is it going? Welcome to the first section of today's lesson. My name is Diki Irsyadul Fikri and I am your host for half of this lesson today. In this video, we will learn about procedure text. Pernahkah kalian berpikir di benak kalian masing-masing tentang bagaimana cara untuk mengambil foto yang keren di Google menggunakan smartphone kalian? Atau kegiatan umum yang dilakukan sehari-hari seperti bagaimana cara membuat kopi? Nah, kalian pasti menemukan step-step atau langkah-langkahnya, bukan? That is the example of procedure text. You guys might wondering atau berpikir-pikir apa sebenarnya procedure text itu? Procedure text is kind of text that shows a series of orders of making something, doing something, or getting somewhere. Procedure text adalah bagian yang berisi perintah untuk mengerjakan sesuatu. Biasanya ada urutan dan tahapan mirip seperti to-do list. There are two types of procedure text, recipe and manual. What is recipe procedure text really is? Recipe procedure text is a part of procedure text that is usually set of list ingredients and set of instructions that tell you how to cook something. For example, in the right side of the screen, how to make fried rice. Now we go to the generic structure of procedure text. As you can see on the screen, the title is usually the goal or aim. What you need to prepare is the materials or ingredients, and the step how to do something or the method. Let's take a look here. Similar to what I said before, the goal or aim, it contains the purpose of make something. Next, material or ingredients. This part describes the elements we need to make something. And steps or method describes the set of instruction. Hampir sama dengan teks yang lain, recipe procedure text memiliki beberapa language features di dalamnya. Yang pertama, using simple present tense, using adverbial of sequence or using temporal adjective, using imperative sentences or command, and using adverb of time to express details of time. Let's take a look at this example. Here is simple present tense and imperative sentences or command. Here is adverbial of sequence and adverb of time to express details of time. Jadi, what is the purpose of recipe procedure text? The first one is it is used to describe how something is made in sequenced steps. Second, it provides a series of steps in sequence that explain the readers how to make something. And the communicative purpose of the text is to tell the steps of making something. I think that's all for my part. The next part is going to be delivered by my friends. Thank you very much.